Hey, what's up, guys? I got another one of these gray trucks, but this one was actually clean, oddly enough, and that was kind of scary. It was even clean. But I wanted to show you, I couldn't get the tail lights to work on this truck, so I took and put some magnet tail lights on here. See? But I wanted to show you how I took and jumped into my wiring, spliced in. I got these little connectors. They're reusable. Got those off of eBay, and they was really cheap. It's like less than $3. It was like $2.50 or something. And they really came in handy today, because in this joint, I had a joint here, and it was kind of like a, permanent joint for me that I spliced it together, and I just went ahead and cut that crap out because I only used what I had, and usually when I use what I have, it's not the best stuff in the world. But I have these temporary joints, and they worked out well, and I put these lights up here as my tail lights. The turn signals and everything work down here, and the brake lights and everything works except for the tail lights. I don't know what's going on, but I took and ran my wiring up to the back of the cab up here. So I got my tow vehicle, all the lights and everything is working on that, but that's a rare thing for me to ever use those. These lights are all beat up. See how they're all beat up? And then they're missing a wire. They're missing the green wire, one of the turn signals. And that's all I use those for. It's just an emergency situation. But let me show you these connectors I got. See, and then when you stick your wire in there, that guy flips down. I don't know if you can see up in there, but they're pretty handy dandy. And they just clip on there. And then you could take and flip that guy back up, like so. And then that's what they look like, when they're all clipped down. But I also have these guys. I picked these up at Home Depot, but they have like a grease in them, and I've never used them before, but they look hardcore, and they clip like that. So, but I wanted to show you these guys. I guess you would have to put on eBay reusable connectors, and then it'll pull these up. They're real cheap, in my opinion, for something that's reusable. But that's all I wanted to show you. That's my crazy lighting situation. Reusable connectors. But that's about it, guys. Alright, like and subscribe. I don't have a whole lot of subscribers. I need to get some more, so I can get a little bit more technology going on with these camera situations. And if I could hit 300 or 400 subscribers, I'll get a GoPro, and I'll start bumping up the quality of these videos. So like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Be safe. And go out there and make some damn money.